Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, kid. This is your nice sir. We are solving some questions, some application of trigonometry. Exercise 9.1, CBSE. What is the question? A contractor plans to install two slides. Slide means what? This is slide. To play in a park. Now, there are two age group that he has made. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meters. That means for age group of 5, she is making, okay, let's see the color. Yeah, here. This particular top is going to be 1.5 meters. That means this length is going to be 1.5. Let me see if white works. Yeah, no, that doesn't work. Okay, this is 1.5 meters. And it is inclined at an angle of 30 to the ground. Yeah, now look at this, kids. This one. This is how the drawing would be. This angle is given as 30 degree. And this height is given as 1.5 meters. Whereas for elder students, she makes it 3 meters. So for elder students, she makes this as 3 meters. And inclination of angle is 60 degree. That means if she's making 3, so this will become something like this. I will be drawing this. The two different drawings, 60 meters. I need to find what? I need to find this. Can I draw the drawing? I would request you to draw the drawing. Anyway, I will draw it. Take a pause the video, draw the drawing, and then afterwards, I can tell you if your drawing is right, you are 50% done. Okay? You have seen question number 1, question number 2. What are we studying? We are doing application of trigonometry. Application of trigonometry, what we have studied is sine, cos, tan. And what is sine, cos, tan? Pandit, Bhole, Prakash, Hari, Hari, Bolo. Now, let us just see the first drawing. Okay, this is the height. Okay, this is the angle. This is, and it is going to join like this. I have been given this as 1.5 meters. I have been given this angle as 30 degree. I need to find this. And what is this? It is nothing else but hypotenuse. What is this? It is nothing else perpendicular. Now look at a relation where P and H is coming. P and H. I've got it. And what is the angle? So it will be sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is sine? Sine 30 degree is equal to perpendicular. I've been given the perpendicular, that is 1.5 upon the hypotenuse. Okay. Now, what is sine 30? Sine 30 is nothing else but 1 upon 2. So substitute 1 upon 2 is equal to 1.5 upon hypotenuse. Transposing, yani ki this will go this side, this will go this side. Please don't make this mistake after so much of hard work. Okay? Hypotenuse is equal to 1.5 multiplied by 2, and that is nothing else but 3 meters. That means for the students, for the kids who are less than 5 years old, this will be the slide hypotenuse. Clear? Now, I want you to pause and do the rest of the part by yourself. Okay, let's see. Now, the second part. The second part tells me that again, he has increased the height, and happens to be 3 meters. And this is slightly for big people, huh? So then he has made this angle to be a bit steeper, and this is 60 degree. I need to find again this. That is again perpendicular and hypotenuse. Again the same thing. Sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sine theta, theta kya hai? 60. So sine 60 is equal to, perpendicular is what? 3 upon hypotenuse. What is sine 60? Look at this. It is root 3 upon 2. Root 3 upon 2 is equal to 3 upon h. That is, h is equal to 3 into 2 upon root 3. Now notice one thing, kids. Now this is something which I want to explain to you. Can I write this as, I'm not going to multiply this, can I write this as 2 into root 3 into root 3 upon root 3? Okay? क्या किया मैंने? 3 can be written as, 1 minute, 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. So root 3 get cancelled. So what is that height? It is 2 root 3 meters. Hope you have understood it. Okay. And now let's see how to write the whole thing in one step-by-step way. Drawing. First part. This is the first part of the answer. Second part of the drawing for elder kids. The second part of the drawing. That is the answer. Hope you have understood it. Okay. Like it, share it among your friends. Let them also enjoy mathematics learning. Prith Nair sir. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day.